Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine. So students, now we are starting our new lesson. So what is our lesson? What do animals eat? So which type of food the animal will be eat? We will discuss in this lesson. Okay? Yes, my dear students, now we are discussing about which type of foods the animal will be eat. Okay, this is our lesson. Karthik has a pet dog. He loves playing with it by tossing it a ball or a biscuit or even sometimes some small leaves and tricks. He observed the dog sniff and catch the biscuit in a mid-air and eats it up very quickly. While it just hold the ball in the mouth and only sniff the leaves. If the dog is given milk, it first sniff it and licks it quickly. So, my dear students, here a boy is there. Her name is Karthik, and he have an pet dog, and he loves with playing with her pet dogs. And just to see here Karthik is there as well as her pet dog is also there. Just to see here, like this only. So sometimes by tossing a ball or biscuit, even sometimes small leaves and twigs, the Karthik will be tossing the ball as well as biscuit, and sometimes in some small leaf also. Okay, so, in previous chapter, we will talk about our own food and different varieties eaten by us. So, in previous chapter, in first chapter, what we are discussing, we are eaten different types of food. Yes, we eat rice, we eat dal, we eat chapatis, we eat different kinds of food in breakfast, in lunch, in dinner. Yes, my dear students. Yes. So, we talk about our own food and the different variety eaten by us. There are wide variety of animals in living world, and they are to eat a variety of food items. So, like us only, we are eating different varieties of food. Yes, now students, like this also the animals will be also eat different variety, different types of food items. Let us see how animals eat their foods. Now we will see how the animals will be eat their food. So we will do an activity. What is our activity? Miss activity 1, taking in food. You can see many animals in your surrounding. Discuss about them with your friend. Make a list of what they usually eat and what they usually do know. Do to find their food. So in this activity, what we have to do, my dear students, we have to see animals in our surroundings, and we have to discuss about them with your friends, and you have to prepare a list of what they are eat and what they are usually to find their food. Okay, do not be in a hurry to complete this table. Keep adding to this list. You observe animal around every day, but don't forget to observe animal wherever you go. So wherever you go, you have to observe what you have to observe, which type of foods the animal will be eat. The animal will be eat. You have to observe, and you have to make a list, and you have to prepare a list. For example, here dog is it, what he will eat? He will eat the meat. Yes, he will eat meat. Okay. Now, my dear student, we will see some examples. Okay, we will see some examples. Some animals are there, birds are there, what they eat or drink, how they find food. So, for example, sparrow. Sparrow is an animal or bird? Yes, sparrow is a bird. What she will eat? She will eat worms, grains, and looking how they find their food by seeing, by looking, or by seeing. A dog. A dog is an animal or bird? Yes, my dear student, dog is a animal. What he will eat? He will eat bones, breads, and how they find their food? Sniffing. Yes, by sniffing. And cat, what he will eat? Cat, what she will eat? He will eat meat, bread. How they find their food? By seeing or as well as by sniffing. Hen, for example, grains are there. How they find their food? By seeing. And eagle is there. How they find what they eat? They eat meat. How they find their food? By seeing and by looking. And cow is there. How they what they eat? They eat leaves as well as grasses. How they find their food? Seeing and smelling. So this is our examples. We will complete our activity 1. So my dear students, first question is there na, improve your learning. Name some animals in your house which have the same kind of food habit. This is your homework and you have to write this homework and you have to submit in the group. First one question, okay? First one question you have to write, and this is your assignment, this is your homework, you have to write and you have to submit in the group. Don't forget to write, okay?